Welcome to TikTok Ad Training Kit Chapter 8. TikTok Ad Copy. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at TikTok Ad Copy. Step by step. So let's get started. On the TikTok Ads Manager, when you set your ad, scroll down to the Ad Creative section. You will find Ad Creative Video and Text. In the text section you can enter your ad copy, or you can also use Smart Text. Click the Smart Text button. And select the available languages, select your business industry, and enter keywords. Our example will enter the keyword weight loss. As you can see below, TikTok Smart Ad will create high quality ad copy for you, which you can use in your ad campaigns. You can also use the translation feature to translate your ad copy. Click the Confirm button to use your ad copy. See you in the next tutorial.